Hi everyone, this is Brad. So I'm using Google Chrome, and if you've ever used the omnibox right up in here to search, it's great. So if you type in, let's just say dog, but you notice it's not using Chrome anymore. In this example, it's using DuckDuckGo. There's a couple things that you can do. One, you can come right over here to the Customize and Control Chrome, come down to Settings. You could also type in Chrome. You could type this in here. And right over here, you're going to see Search Engine. Make sure to select Search Engine. And then you're going to see, oh, what search engines do I have? So you can scroll down. If you want, you could just come right over here, click on the three dots, and make it a default. So now, if I come up here, let's just type in dog here. Now Google's coming up as your search engine right in the omnibox. So there you go. If you have any questions, please reach out. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.